Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I have brought for you this Nextron Gaming RX 500 graphic card 4GB. So let's unbox this. So packaging is good, and here is a graphic card. You can see. And build quality is good, made for metal and plastic, black color, and here is a DPI port and HDMI port, DVI port, and I have got this menu. In the next video, I will play the game and show you the performance of this graphic card. So I will back in next video. So like, share, subscribe. Bye.